And this is the first reaction that's coming from the centre on Mehbooba Mufti's controversial remarks. There's MOS Home G. Kishan Reddy, who said that because of the speed of development in Jammu and Kashmir after the abrogation of Article 370, some people are worried. They're worried since we ended corruption and dynasty politics. So the centre hitting back at Mehbooba, saying that the only reason she's trying to rake up this issue of restoration of Article 370 is because she's worried about corruption ending, about development being brought in to Jammu and Kashmir. Listen in to what the MOS Home said.
देश के जनता सब कुछ सुन रहे हैं, जम्मू कश्मीर का जनता भी सब कुछ सुन रहे, देख रहे। आर्टिकल 370 के हटाने के बाद जम्मू कश्मीर में कैसा विकास का रास्ते पे जाने के लिए प्रयास कर रहे। जो परिवार राज था, जो भ्रष्टाचार था, भ्रष्टाचार खत्म होने के बाद कुछ लोग परेशान हैं। वो परेशान के कारण क्या बोल रहे पता नहीं। ये इनबैलेंस हो गए लोग, क्योंकि इतने दिन राज करते थे, शासन नहीं करते थे, राज करते थे, देश को लूटते थे लोग। लाखों करोड़ रुपए देश का पैसे जम्मू कश्मीर जनता को जाना था, जनता को जाने गए नहीं, विकास नहीं हुआ, भ्रष्टाचार लूटते थे। अभी ये लोग परेशान हैं।
Shuja ul Haq is joining us with more details on the Shuja. The first response from the central government, they've chosen clearly, it seems, to dismiss what Mehbooba Mufti said, saying that this is only because there's development now in Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, yes, Akshita. In fact, since yesterday in itself, it is her comments, her statements that she made in her first press conference after her release have triggered a war of words. We are seeing in statements coming in from local BJP leaders, leaders from opposition, particularly from the Jammu region, if you talk about since yesterday, and now we are getting reactions, official reaction from the central leadership at this point of time. Mehbooba Mufti, if you recall, in her statement yesterday, made it very clear. She, in fact, levelled big charges against the central government and the BJP leaders, said that they were using Kashmir issues related to Kashmir for their own political vote bank. Time and again, she even hinted at the use of Article 370 at this point of time when the Bihar elections are ongoing. So, scathing attacks that she has levelled at the central government and BJP in particular, saying that what they have done with regards to Jammu and Kashmir and its special status in 2019 was unconstitutional, and she and other associates of hers will continue to fight against that.
All right, Shuja, thank you for joining us with all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.